We are now on day 4? Day 4. Had a pretty long night last night. Crazy, but we're just actually long day into chicken katsu. It wasn't chicken katsu, it was beef katsu dinner. Now we are headed to the art aquarium or museum. Aquarium.
Art aquarium museum.
Yeah, it's like a museum, but it's an aquarium. So we're doing that. After that, we are headed to the fish market. And after that, we are going to get. What are we going to do? Akihabara. What's that?
Just Anime City.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna go to the Maid Cafe.
Yes,
And
we are.
then the Must Wear Man Cafe.
Hell yeah, grown ass man going to that shit. But yeah, some more touristy stuff, but the art aquarium should be lit from what I've heard and seen. So doing that, and that's about it. Guys, this one is pooping, as you can see, and these two don't know what to do.
It's a big ass log.
Yeah, that's a big poop. Hey, no. Don't do that.
Wow. How cute.
Alright, we are finally at the fish market. Sam's very excited because he really wants clams and squid. So we're gonna have that. Well, not we, he is. I'm looking for anything, you know, any meat. We'll see, we'll find any. But I am excited because it's like essentially stands of food. It's like basically what you see on YouTube, like street food, you know? It's kind of like that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
like
mainly fish.
Yeah, it's kind of like street food, but it's just fish. So hopefully we find some meat. If not, then we're getting udon later anyway. So we'll see how it goes. Are you excited or what? Tired, low-key.
I'm hella excited.
We walked 20 minutes to get here, so it better be good. That's all I'm saying. Oh, that looks good though, look at this.
Wagyu?
Do you want Wagyu beef?
A little bit, yeah.
That's fine.
Should we get that then too?
I want that. I want that. We're gonna go see if there's other things open. Looks like some places are open, but most are closed. Just gonna see.
Oh, this is their spotty tuna here.
Okay, so we are, I'll show you guys. We are here right now. I want that. I want that bad. Alright, we're gonna check out more things. Going here. So some of these stores are open, which is nice, but a lot of them are closed because a lot of the food is fresh and it gets sold out pretty instantly, which is kind of cool because it's fresh food, so no complaints here. Did you know a lot of these places were going to be closed?
No, I thought they closed at 5 or like 6. I feel
I
kind of bad
Wait, why?
because
Sam wants fish?
yeah.
Oxen. Fuck that kid. Everything I see here is just, look at this. So I thought this was a real guy standing there like a bot. Okay, we're gonna wait. Our food's gonna be like ready in 5 minutes. We'll film all that, so don't worry. And then see how fresh this food really is. Everything's Wagyu though here, which is kind of what I expected, but it's still kind of crazy. Those were the best pieces of meat that I have ever had in my whole fucking life. Like, I'm not joking. It was incredible. I highly recommend just this place. Like, if you're ever gonna come to Japan, please come to the fish market. They have obviously that Wagyu and stuff, things like that. And I know I'm like over glazing, but I'm telling you, that's how good it was. Genuinely perfectly seasoned, perfect spices as well. It was good. I'm very happy. The last couple days, my stomach hasn't been feeling so well, so we went to some really fancy restaurants, but I didn't really eat that much. I just couldn't. My stomach wasn't able to handle it, so today I was finally able to have that, and it was very good.
So we're at the store, and they have live octopus from Seto Island Sea. And you only see this in the movies.
You can swap it. So just click that. Yeah.
So right here, They only have those in the movies, but I'm down to try. I know
Yeah,
John's
see, Sam
down.
wants like clam and like he loves seafood, right? But my
Yeah.
seafood doesn't settle well for me, or I would try
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Like you guys just had king crab. It was probably the best. You
Yeah,
said it was the best you've ever
yeah,
had,
by far.
bro. Think about it. They had meat and fish. Or
Yeah,
rather,
that's crazy.
that both S tier in one little tiny spot.
Yeah.
It's pretty unreal.
So I want to try this
So wait,
one.
just show them this. Look how many
Yeah,
people
like-
are eating this.
This is just from the morning. So people here come like early in the morning, like 5, 6
I'm gonna love it. I want
7
it myself.
a.m. So I want to try this and then see how it goes. The live ones.
It's turning into a vlogger a little bit. Like,
Down to try that,
sir.
but we'll see.
Sam's gonna have that for sure. I'm not gonna have that because again, seafood just doesn't do well for me in my stomach. So, as much as you guys probably want me to have it, I'm not going to.
This is peak, brother. If you put the lemon, they squirm around more.
Look at him. Happy guy.
I'm ecstatic. Grab that octopus. Here comes soy sauce.
This one's not even moving. I don't want to go It's good? He's so happy.
That's nasty, bro. I mean, hey man, to each their own. I mean, judge now here. I'll show you guys what I got. Yeah, I didn't get any food because I have hello Wagyu, so. I think it was the. I got the Hibiki, which is like their standard whiskey of choice here. Considered like main. That's like the Jack Daniels of Japan. It's fire.
Oyster.
They've ordered like 6 things and they all keep going to them. And every time the waitress comes, she's like, assuming that it's our food because we have nothing on our side. He clears him.
Yu-Gi-Oh!
I used to win tournaments playing this game. I've never seen the Japanese version of these cards before. Where's Jinzo? I need to see if they have that. That is Exodia's arms and legs and his body. If you get all 5,
I see
so you
it.
can only have 5 cards in your hand, and if you draw all 5 of them, you win the duel by default.